So you guys know that I'm always talking about not getting too connected, too identified with the beliefs that you hold. Because our beliefs about the world dictate how we perceive the world. And your perception of the world controls the reality that you get to experience. Okay, so perception controls expression, how you express yourself into the world. So our beliefs arise from the experiences we have. So if you're completely married to your worldview and your paradigm, and that you're saying it's right, I am right, and someone else is wrong, then it's analogous to saying my life experiences are the ultimate truth. They're, the highest expression of truth that someone can have. But obviously that's a deep shortcoming. It's a fallacy. Any position that we take is merely one possible perception, one possible viewpoint from limitless potentials that exist inside every given moment. So the reason I talk about this is, if you experience something like I did and go through a near-death experience and a profound spiritual awakening, and then are able to heal yourself and defy all the doctors and the medical experts, then I have a belief based on my experience that is extremely different from the rest of the world. And so the world I now experience and the potential that I've unlocked in myself is very, very different to the person who set out on the night of my car crash. So what we need to always remember here is the quality of our life, what we get to have, what we get to share and experience during our time here, that dash on the gravestone between the start point and the end point that represents your life. The way this plays out is in lockstep to the beliefs that you hold. So it is extremely important that you stop for a moment. Just pull yourself out of the stream of busy 9 to 5 mentality that the majority, especially of the Western world, has, and take some time to reflect and do the inner work and ask yourself what these beliefs are. Where did they come from? Whose beliefs are they anyway? And do they serve you? Are they limiting you? Or are they allowing you to follow your dreams and unlock all the beauty and magic that this life has to offer us? Because there actually could be no more profound question to ask yourself than, what do you believe about yourself? And when you figure out what that belief is, you'll realize that your life looks exactly in line with the predominant beliefs that you have floating around in your head. But don't get too attached to them, because those beliefs are only there because of your lifeline, your path, your experiences. Change the experience, you change the belief, and you change the world. At least your version of reality will change. So that's today's video. Beliefs arise from the subconscious mind. And the subconscious is 1,000,000 times more powerful than your thinking brain, your conscious brain. So any program, any perception program you have in there is going to control your expression. Remember, I said at the beginning of the video, perception dictates expression. So who are you being? What life are you manifesting for yourself right now? Does it serve you? Do you want to continue in this way? But to claim that your paradigm and your beliefs are the absolute truth is obviously one of the greatest shortcomings of the human condition, of the ego. That absolute I know I am right. No, not even close. Because if you have a near-death experience or a radical awakening of consciousness or go through profound hardship, your entire perception changes. And then your expression, your world changes. So that's today's video, DamienHorton.com. Find out more. Sending you guys light and love.